Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we got a superb deal for some free EUCERIN lotion at Walgreens. You can do this as a curbside pickup or alternatively in store. If you could do me one kindness before we dive into these deals, if you could give this video a big thumbs up, really helps out with the YouTube algorithm and my channel. And just to let you know, Pumpkin actually came up with this deal himself. He was busy working on it all day yesterday, and he wanted to share it with you guys, and that's the little black cat in this video. You guys haven't seen him in a while, so thumbs up for Pumpkin. Okay, so this deal is with the EUCERIN lotion, and we are grabbing the 16.9 ounce bottles. It has to be that specific one, which is this taller one with the pump. For a lot of you that have never tried EUCERIN before, it's very similar to Aquaphor. And so we're going to just take a quick peek here at the tags. It's a similar consistency if you ever wondered, if you've ever tried Aquaphor, very similar. It's always super uber expensive, but it's not like a Vaseline where it's super oily. So looking at the tag here really quick, guys, buy one, get one 50% off. Look at this, selected Aquaphor and EUCERIN skincare. Spend 20, get back 10. So this is a spend offer. Note that. Remember how I was just saying a second ago it was a lot like Aquaphor? I wonder if it's the same company that owns both because the consistency is very similar. Couponers that have been around forever, you probably know that information. So let me know in the comments. So this is where you have to pay attention. Roughness relief for $13.99, grab one of those. And for $12.49, one of the intensive care lotions. Now, alternatively, if you can't find intensive care, just get the original, but it has to be 16.9 ounce. Devil is in those details, Miss Friends. So pay attention to that. Okay, so we're going to load two $3 coupons, and my account, for whatever reason, had a bunch of these. Before in the past, I used to buy these. If you know anyone with diabetes, it's a very good lotion. My mom always requests this one. So throwing two of these into the basket, we have a roughness and then just an intensive care. Buy one, get one 50% off. The overall basket is $20.23. So we've hit our cap right there of spend 20, get back 10, 50%. Free curbside pickup, a little bit of tax, $6 melting off. With my debit card, I'm paying $15.44, not negotiable. Do not use Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay this down, and I'm getting back $10 in Walgreens cash. Spend 20, get back 10. These prices for these lotions are similar in store because I was in store yesterday and I went and saw them, and they're all the same. So just to note that if you wanted to do this deal in store with a paper booster as well. Now, over on IBOTTA, they have a rebate for 16.9 fluid ounces for EUCERIN that you can do up to, I don't know, 5 times, but we're only doing it the 2 times. So you're going to get $4 back, essentially making it free or like really, really cheap if you're not factoring in tax, because tax is different in every state. But yeah, this is a tremendous deal with the IBOTTA app. Now, I made a video yesterday for curbside only to get these lotions for 24 cents each. I went and picked them up yesterday, and yeah, that deal worked for me. I know a lot of you couldn't get it to go or your store was cleared out. At the very least, load those digital coupons because we might have another deal in the near future to go with them. And I know you guys really love any sort of like skincare that's a bit more expensive. So if you missed it yesterday, I made a quick video, 24 cent number 7, and it's like some sort of face cream. I'm excited to try it out. I've never tried this one out. If you want to check out this video, I will link it at the very end. On Wednesday morning, I got a $10 back when you spend 50 booster. So this is what was released. I know everybody gets a different one, but it appeared in your digital coupons folder at the very top, and this is what appeared for me. So definitely load your booster right away, and I'm hoping that a paper one might print out for me either today or tomorrow in store at Walgreens so I can stack it starting on Sunday. Okay, so now we're just going to head back to Walmart, and my goodness gracious, I've been enjoying finding clearance with digital, rebates. So I'm back at it again. We're in the first aid aisle, and we're looking for the children's Band-Aids. This is Toy Story for 89 cents. They also had PJ Masks for 60 cents, but all of those were gone. You're going to grab one box of clearance Band-Aids. Good luck finding it. Now, IBOTTA is giving back 75 cents. That's on the left. And to the right, we have coupons.com for 75 cents, making this free plus a 61 cent moneymaker after both rebates. Next, you're going to go to Walmart and pick up 2 of these cauliflower frozen meals that are participating. So 2 of them is $15.96. Find this in the frozen food aisle. You'll make this submission to IBOTTA for $7.98, so $8 back basically for these 2 bags. And then if you go over to your Checkout 51 app, there's also $4 back for each bag. So 2 bags is $15.96. You're paying that out of pocket, getting $8 back from IBOTTA and $8 back from Checkout 51, making both bags free. Free food, what most of us are looking for. Go stock up on these today. I think this Checkout 51 rebate will go very, very quickly. Did track down one of the Mega Red omega-3 fish and krill oil for $9.88 at Walmart. It was in and itemized at the very bottom of a shelf. You have to look for it. Look for the red box. It might take you a second or two. But one of these, I've never bought this before. Coupons.com has a $10 rebate, making it a little freebie. So get one of those too if you're headed to the store for the other 2 freebies. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.